Good day, everybody. Hanging out in Scottsdale, Arizona. I wanted to do a little additional video on this 2009 Country Coach because it is such a superb example of the way one came out of the factory. Even though it's super dark colors, it does not have checking. It has 81,000 miles. So whenever it was outside, it did not get that much heat to actually check. Now there's none in these golds, of course, because they're the lighter colors, but there is none in these reds. And this is factory paint. I mean, you can tell it was all sanded and buffed. This looks like a slight chemical reaction actually in the paint not checking. Maybe that's a one. I mean, this thing, even on the ends of the slide rooms, there's no checking. Let me cut this for a second. All right, the plane's done flying over. Back to what I was saying. And there's maybe something, but I don't even think that is truly anything that is actually checking. I think it's just something in the chemical and the way the paint laid down. But there's nothing in the ends of these slide rooms. You can see a little bit of slight paint damage from the wipe seal rubbing on the room when it was in. So that's it on the paint. I mean, that's perfect. And then you make your way around. The front Invisibra is damn near perfect. It's got one spot where maybe a bug got on there. I mean, if I wanted it 100% perfect, I might put headlights in it, but you're not going to get that without spending some more money. This side, I mean, it's perfect. If you get paint correction, this is dust, you know, that's on the side. If you did a good paint correction, ceramic coated this whole thing and got rid of the brush marks from when it had been washed, this thing would have absolutely perfect paint. Even the back of it is perfect. The design cues everything. The dryer vent's proper. Hasn't swollen there. There's one spot that got damaged, and it did a couple spots. Tiny bit right there. And it actually did a tiny bit on that window awning casing. The window awning still works, and we can still get the parts to get them painted. But, I mean, it is a perfect example. I think the mud flap's been replaced maybe. The rubber has, but it's still the OEM Country Coach logo. Has all of its Country Coach hubcaps. This is a 100% pure, pristine 2009 example. It does have a foggy window. That can be done anywhere in Phoenix. It can also be done in Oregon. It can be done in Florida, so on and so forth. Next thing that we're talking about is a perfect ceiling. There is no dimpling. There's one tiny crack around the speaker from when it was over tightened, but that is not from swelling. Absolutely perfect example of a ceiling. Speaker grill fell off here, but you notice that the speaker surround is still good. Nothing up there. All the woodwork's good. The floor is good. I haven't seen a cracked tile. I'm not going to say there's not one, because I've met plenty of motorhomes with cracked tile. Could get tile up to the step for the engine access. That would really be the only thing floor-wise I would do, and redo the carpets. I would try to shoehorn in the larger silverleaf display so that way you get everything there. This thing does have the Magnum inverters. It's got the transfer switch, wired in for the amp draw for when you're plugged into shore power. Of course, right now we're inverting. We don't have that. You go back to the main and hit the button. Smiley face and a green light. That's what you're looking for on your Silverleaf. And like I said, you could go with the larger touch screen from Silverleaf there. Go with the micro air there. You could even tie these floor heats into the new Silverleaf panel. I mean, the upgrades are able to be done, but the awesome part about this coach is it is a perfect example of what would have rolled out of the production line in 2009. I mean, it only needs the new dash radio here with the Apple CarPlay. Depends on how much you're going to use the home theater system, whether you want Bluetooth and all that good stuff there. But I mean, you come in here with the laptop, program a couple of these keypads for the blanks after you get using it for a while, make it your own. This thing is sweet. Like I said, tile floor heat, front, rear, flush floors, both sides. I mean, 500 horsepower, 45 feet. I mean, that's the add-in video for this coach, just because it is so cherry, and I want to have this as history for what this coach is like here in the beginning of 2025. Coach number 12298. I hope the next buyer or an owner of this coach, because it is for sale right now, you can hit me up at brianmoto773 and at brianmoto773@gmail.com. But I wanted to make a note how cherry it is, because I want to hope that the next owner takes the pride and the time to keep this thing cherry. I came in today, I'm going to be truthful, I touched up a little bit of lacquer. It hasn't had any beeswax rubbed on it to make it look all good. You can still come in here with a good deft can of lacquer and make these cabinets look beautiful again. I mean, nothing's perfect, it's 18 years old, but I came in, it took the dry spots out of those. I didn't rub it down with some honey beeswax something or other so it lasts for a little while and I got to do it again. I mean, this thing only needs a few things, you know, some LED upgrades and whatnot. All right, I'm going to stop. That's all I got on this coach, but hopefully when the next buyer gets it and the next one and the next one, and we're watching this video 10 years from now, this coach is still just as cherry. Till next time, everybody, have a great day. Hit me up if you're interested, and I'll get you helped out. Even if you aren't interested in any country coach, hit me up. I'm here for you. We'll get you a thorough inspection and get you dialed in on your next coach or the one you already got. Till next time, bye-bye.